Gojo Satoru is the strongest sorcerer in the JJK verse, and his ability is the most misunderstood one too. To understand his powers first, we need to break it down to two parts. First, the Six Eyes. They are the hardware of his abilities. They are physical properties, not a curse technique. He was born with them, just like everyone else is born with their own eyes. The Six Eyes are special. They allow him to perceive the flow of cursed energy at an atomic level. And see, because he can perceive energy at an atomic level, he can control energy at an atomic level. So, his cursed energy efficiency is optimized to the max, which is a very important ability to have, because his actual curse technique requires insanely high levels of energy perception and consumption. So, without the Six Eyes, his technique is impossible to use. Which brings us to the second part of his powers. His curse technique is known as Limitless, is an inherited technique of the Gojo family that grants the user near absolute space manipulation, and it also branches into three standard forms. First, the base form of the Limitless technique, Infinity. It acts as Gojo Satoru's absolute defense by slowing down dangerous objects heading towards them. The way it does that is by manipulating the space between Gojo and the objects or person, and dividing said space into half, and then divide that into another half, and another and another. It will basically divide the distance into half endlessly, and so the distance between Gojo and whoever is trying to touch him will never be zero. Therefore, he can't be touched. And since he can't run out of energy due to the Six Eyes, he runs the Limitless technique 24/7, giving him absolute protection all the time. Now, this is the part where his ability branches off. 1. Cursed technique lapse. Blue. By amplifying the Limitless with negative cursed energy, Gojo creates a void of negative space. For example, in regular scenarios, you would have 1 apple or 0 apple. Gojo can create a reality of -1 apple in space. To correct this impossibility, the universe forcefully pulls surrounding matter inward to fill the gap, creating a powerful magnetic attraction force. And when Gojo makes himself part of that space that is being dragged, he moves so fast he looks like he is teleporting. 2. Cursed technique reversal, red. By channeling positive energy generated through reverse curse technique into the Limitless, Gojo reverses blue's attractive properties to trigger spatial divergence, releasing a powerful repulsive force that violently blasts targets away. And 3. Hollow technique. Purple is an advanced secret technique created by colliding the attractive force of blue with the repulsive force of red. This collision generates imaginary mass that is launched toward the target, instantly erasing everything in its path with massive spatial destruction. With invincible defense, unstoppable offense, and unmatched energy manipulation, Satoru Gojo stood unchallenged as the strongest sorcerer of the modern era.